Loading solvent in the Markforged Wash 1. Items you need for this are a 5-gallon tank of solvent. Note, only approved solvents for use in the Wash 1 are Opteon SF79, Opteon SF80, and Turgo metal cleaning fluid. You will also need a drum wrench, chemical resistant gloves, siphon from Wash 1 accessory kit. Safety first, put on your chemical resistant gloves since you will be handling solvent. To load solvent, first turn off the Wash 1 heating elements by moving the heater toggle on the touchscreen to the off setting. Carefully open the solvent container near the Wash 1 station using the drum wrench. Open the lid of the immersion chamber on the Wash 1. Place the smooth inlet tube of the siphon into the solvent tank. Place the ribbed outlet tube in the immersion chamber inside the cooling coils. Tighten the top pin of the siphon and begin to pump until solvent flows through the siphon into the Wash 1. Fill the immersion chamber with solvent until the boil chamber is full to the max fill line. If the Wash 1 station is empty to start, it will take about 8 gallons of solvent. When complete, turn on the Wash 1 heater.